Good morning students. Today's our chapter is the four operations, and which are the four operations are there: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Today I teach you plus and minus, means addition and subtraction. Let's go with our examples. In your first questions, sleeping form, all the plus are there, all the additions are there. First of all, doing standing form. Okay, then after do addition. 8 plus 9, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17, 7 here, 1 carry over. 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 5 here, 1 carry over. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 6 here, 1 carry over. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 5 here, 1 carry over. 7 plus 7, 14. Okay, let's go with our second example. Always arrange in second number in ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. 4 plus 0, 4, 7 plus 5, 12, 2 here, 1 carry over. 5 plus 1, 6, 7 plus 5, 12, 2 here, 1 carry over. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 here, 1 carry over. Then after 2 plus 1, 3. Then after our question number 3. 8, 9, 6, 4 and 4, 9, 8, 4 and 5. Okay, here those number is not given, that put their side zeros. 7 plus 8 plus 9, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Sorry, again I counting 7, 8 and 9, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So 4 here, 2 carry over. 9, 10, 11, 11 plus 7 plus 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. So 6 here, 2 carry over. Again counting this number: 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. So 6 here, 2 carry over. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. 1 here, 2 carry over. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 5, 10, 10, 11 and 12. 2 here, 1 carry over. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then 3. In B question, find the sum of the largest and smallest 5 digits number. First of all, largest number. Largest 5 digit number is equals to 5, 9. Okay, and smallest 5 digits number is equals to 1, 0, 0 and 0, means 10,000. 9 plus 1, 0, 9 plus 1, 0, 9 plus 1, 0, 9, 9 plus 1, 0, 9 and 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, then after our next question, question number C. Question C, our first examples is there. 87,654, 8,765. 4 out of 5 is not possible. Okay, so 4 is the place of 14 here. 14 out of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 9 here, 5 will be cut, and 4 out of 6 again not possible, so 14 out of 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 6, 7 and 8 here. Here 5. 5 out of 7 again not possible. So here 15. 15 out of 7 means again 8 is there. 7 is the place of 16. Okay, then 6 out of 8 again not possible. So 16 out of 8 is 8 and 8 will be cut in the place of 7. Okay, next question. 9,91,352. Then after 11,352. Okay. So here 2 out of 2 0, 5 out of 5 0, 3 out of 3 0, 1 out of 1 0, 9 out of 1 means 8 and 9 as it is. Then after our third questions. 7,71,122. Then after 5,80,403. 2 out of 3 is possible? Not possible. So 12 out of 3 means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 9 here, 2 is cut and 1 here. 1 out of 4 again not possible, so 11 out of 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 7 here, here 0. So put here 0. 7 out of 8 is not possible, so 17 out of 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So 9 here. Then after 7 is cut and 7 is the place of 6. 6 out of 5 means 1. Okay. Then after, my dear students, let us go with our D example. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is given. Then after here, one box is blank. Then what you have to do? 5 plus 4, how many is there? 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 4 is here. 1 carry over. 2 plus 1, 3. 3. Here 5 is there. Then here 2. Means 2 to 4 plus 1, 5. Then 5, 4, 9. Okay. Here 5 plus 2 means here remaining number is 3. Then 1 out of 4. Then here first of all 11. Okay. Then here 1. 11 out of 4 means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 7 here. So 1 out of 5 is not possible. So 11 out of 5 means 6 here. 11 out of 6 is equals to 5. This one is your remaining number. Then after our E example, solve it. Okay, this one is our solving examples. So let's start our solving examples. First of all, do 2 additions, then after answer is there and then subtraction. Okay. Seven plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15, 5 here, 1 carry over, 6 plus 6, 12, 2 here, 1 carry over, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 and 3. Okay. Then after this one answer is comes out and then deduction is there. Okay. 5 out of 8 is possible? Not possible. So 15 out of 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, 6 and 7. 2 is the place of 1. 1 out of 3 is again not possible. So 11 out of 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 6, 7 and 8 here. Here 2 out of 9 is not possible. So 12 out of 9. 10, 11 and 12. 3 is here. Here 6. 6 out of 5 means 1. 4 out of 1 means 3. And here 3. Okay. Then after our second examples. Okay, so first do minus is there. 1 out of 5 is not possible. So 11 out of 5 means 6. 2 is the place of 1 only. 5 out of 4 means 1. 5 out of 6 is not possible, so 15. 15 out of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 9 here, here 0, then after here place of 0 is here, so as it is 99. Okay, my dear students, then let us go with our next exercise. Exercise number 2.2. Exercise is equals to 2.2. Okay, in 2.2 exercise, what you have to do, in your question is given a school library had 66,500 books. Okay, then first write down how many books in library have 66,500 books in library. Okay, then after 8,947 books were issued. How many books are issued? This one. Okay, then 4,033 given to the teachers. Okay, then how many remaining books are there? Then what you have to do, first of all, how many books were left? Then how many books are issued? 8,947. And how many given to the teachers? 4,033. Then first do addition. 7, 8, 9 and 10. 0 here, 1 carry over. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then 9, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many books were issued and plus teachers given? 12,980. Then minus here 12,980. 0. 10 out of 8 means 2 here. 4 out of 9 is not possible, so 14 out of 9. 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 5 here, 6 is the place of 5. 5 out of 2 means 3. 6 out of 1 means 5. Okay, this one is your final answer. How many books are still in library? Then 53,520 books in library. Okay, so let us go with our second examples. Our second example is there are 55,299 honeybees in beehive. Okay, how many totals are there? Okay, then after Monday went out in morning. How many? 4,684. Monday went out in morning. Okay. Then after 3,276 in afternoon went out. Total how many? 6 plus 4, 10, 0 here, 1 carry over. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 8, 16, 6 here, 1 carry over. 6, 7, 8 and 9 and 4 plus 3, 7. Then after this one number deducted, this one number, total honeybees are there. Okay, and this one is the morning plus afternoon went out. 9 minus 0 means 9. 9 minus 6 means 3. 2 out of 9 is possible? Not possible. So 12 out of 9, 10, 11 and 12. 3 here. Here carry over. That's why 5 is the place of 4. 4 out of 7 is not possible. So 14 out of 7. 14 out of 7 means 7 here. Here 5 will be cut because of here carry over. And 4 as it is. So 47,339 is the remaining honeybee. Okay. My dear students, in exercise 2.1 and 2.2, in whichever question is left, you have to do by yourself only. Thank you very much.